So today we decided to do something fun. So we are going to make the French macaron. I pronounce it macaroon, so I'm going to be pronouncing it macaroon throughout this video. So first, you are going to take your almond flour. How much?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup almond flour. I think should I put it at the same time?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So that, and I'm gonna sift it. The 3/4 cup almond flour, and then we have our powdered sugar, 1 cup. I remember that one, so I'm just gonna put this here. Whoa. So now I'm gonna do
tap the side of the sifter to sift it.
Like this?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
This is a good way of doing it. Here, I'm gonna get it from a different angle.
Yep, use your right hand. Good job, bud. Perfect. Look
now,
at that.
Here, after I do it for a little while, here, look. See how it goes up on the edge?
Yeah.
I like to go to the other side and hit it.
Good job, buddy.
And then when I finish it,
Perfect.
came out perfectly. Okay, so now we are on to making our, I would say like half of the batter, the other half of the batter.
Right, the meringue part. Right.
So I'm going to put our egg whites in.
Good job.
Just get them all out. Is there anything else in there?
That's all. You got it. Good job.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there, so none of that stuff falls. So now I put that
Lock
on.
it in place.
Lock it in.
Good.
And then I put
Start low.
stir.
And then gradually move up to just go one step at a time. Go high. Go ahead. Go ahead again. Go ahead and keep going. You can just, there you go. And again, we want to get them foamy, but not white yet. So go ahead and go up to high. Okay, so now they're nice and foamy. Go ahead and turn it off. Okay, and we're gonna lift it up and we're gonna add just half of that sugar. Yeah, so we've got a 1/4 cup of sugar and we're gonna add half of that. So 1/8 of a cup of sugar. Good job. Whenever you think you've got it done. Perfect.
No.
And then,
Sorry.
you don't want too much. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's
Perfect. Okay, go ahead and whip that up.
high again?
Yep, go slowly, but go to high. And this time we're gonna beat until soft peaks. So it's gonna be white, but the peaks are not gonna be stiff yet. So go a little bit higher. It'll go fast with this mixer. Okay?
Okay.
So now, we're not quite soft peaks. I forgot we wanna add the rest of that sugar. So we're just about 1 minute beyond the first addition of sugar. And now we're gonna go to soft peaks. Good job.
Start two.
It's gonna happen pretty fast with the KitchenAid mixer because it's pretty powerful. Go ahead and go up. Yep, go ahead and go up to high. Perfect. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes if you have a hand mixer. It's really only going to take about 1 minute with the stand mixer.
Okay, so now we are going to add our food coloring.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's already open.
Yep.
So I'm going to lift this up.
So that's it. What stage is this? Do you remember what this is called? Soft peaks. So not stiff peaks.
I did not know that was the name of the stage.
Yes, it
Okay, so now I'm going to use our beautiful spice spoon. I'm using that word. I'm going to take some
Green food coloring
green
paste.
food coloring like that.
Yeah, that's a lot actually. But so it just needs a little bit. That's perfect. You just run it through the. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of run it through. It's not all going to come off. Yep.
Right through.
Perfect. Perfect. Kind of tap it off in the bowl.
Okay, so now we are going to stir this for 2 or 3 minutes till high peaks?
Stiff peaks.
Stiff peaks.
Go ahead. Turn it up.
Up.
All the way to high. All the way to
I
high.
love that color green.
It's going to be cool. All the way. Nice.
Going higher,
That's perfect.
higher, and higher.
Nice.
Now that center's turning green.
That's perfect. It's going to be some cool colors. Okay?
Okay, so now I'm pretty sure it's done because it's been like 2 minutes.
Okay. Let's check it. We're looking for stiff peaks. Poke that up so everyone can see what it looks like. Perfect.
I think it's stiff.
Straight
peaks.
up. Perfect, Roman. Good job.
It's not even moving.
Now we're going to add the dry ingredients.
Okay, so now I forgot to whisk our dry ingredients together, so I'm just gonna do that real quickly now, and they're perfectly sifted.
Perfect.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take this out because increasingly we don't even need it anymore. So now I would rather do it where I split this in half so then I know exactly what.
No, honey. You do half of the.
Half of that? Oh!
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Half of the dry.
So I'm just gonna. I'm gonna use this.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about the time taking.
It's okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna.
Just do half of that in there.
Maybe
It's okay. We can see. Perfect.
Is that half?
I think that's about half. Good job. Good job.
Okay. So
Okay.
that's about half.
So now we don't want to lose all the air we incorporated when we were
So
mixing. So we're folding. Kind of scoop it
yeah.
and fold it over. And it's cool with this clear bowl because everyone can see that blender spatula working so well. It works nice to fold it in. So just keep folding.
So now we are going to put the rest of this in here. I'm just gonna go like this because I know exactly what I'm doing.
Good job.
And so you can
The rest
see.
of the dry ingredients, go ahead and dump it in.
Dump it
Nice job.
in.
Good job, bud. Perfect.
Is that it?
That's
You
good.
did that?
That's fine.
Thanks. Okay, so now I'm just gonna
Continue folding.
continue folding in. Okay, so I have folded the batter in, so now you can see it's pretty consistent.
Looks perfect, buddy. Okay, what do we do next?
I'm just gonna put that back. Okay, so now I love my pastry bag stand and my pastry bag.
Perfect.
They're amazing. This pastry bag, you can go like this, wrap it around your pastry stand super easily. No struggle at all. Hey, you just saw me. I had no struggle.
That's awesome.
Okay, so now
I've got 2 hands to fill it with, huh?
I have 2 hands to fill it with instead of using one hand to hold the pastry. The pastry.
The
Bag.
blender spatula.
Pastry
That's
bag.
okay.
And one hand use the blender spatula.
You're doing good.
So now I'm just gonna.
Just gently put it in there because we don't want to. Remember, we want to keep some of the air that we formed. So maybe one more scoop, and then we'll create our macarons on the macaron bon mat.
Macarons. Okay, so now I'm going to take my pastry bag and I'm going to fill in our beautiful bon mat. Oh, bon macarons. But the good thing about this bon mat is that it has these pre-made holes for you, so you don't need to go get like a piece of paper and put it under. So what you do is everybody's watching this probably has already used one of these before. But you hold it from the top, and I like to do it just you push down to make like that. And I don't really think you should have a top like that, but I'm just used to making rings.
Okay, we'll level them out.
So like you put like this.
And kind of pull to the side a little bit.
I think it's easier.
Perfect. Good job, bud.
So wait, just do and.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that I have finished putting my batter onto the bon mat, I'm going to take it like this. I'm gonna start out like this, and I go.
And level it.
Rotate it.
We're so used to doing meringues, so we got those tips. We're gonna have to work on that, huh?
Yeah.
But getting all the air out now, flatten it out so we have some nice flat tops. We'll see what happens.
Well, they might be flat. They're not really flat, but I'll practice. Don't worry.
We'll get the
Okay, so they finished baking. They cooled off. So now we're going to fill them with frosting. So flip. I'm gonna put this one right in there.
perfect.
And then put that back. Lovely, we have that. There we go.
Ooh, let's see. Look at those beautiful macarons.
Looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Go ahead and try it. Is it good? Thumbs up?
Uh-huh.